When we talk about the problems we encounter in car paint jobs, perhaps the most frequent and very annoying one is the one with the dust nips. Who likes to see a speck of dirt or hair on a freshly painted surface? The reasons for this can be different. Inadequate filtration in a spray booth, not wearing proper clothing during paint spraying, or static electricity on plastic parts, and many others. But there is a simple but very effective material to deal with dust inclusion. It's the tack cloth. It is no coincidence that even in a near-perfect environment in car manufacturing plants, tack cloth is considered to be a tool and not just a secondary consumable. At Etalon, we place great importance on this product, and for this reason we have three types of tack racks. Number one, high tack rack, which is a large size made from cotton gauze with a high impregnation level. By the way, the impregnation used is a special water-based adhesive that does not dry quickly like those with solvents on their composition. This tack rack is recommended for work on large areas with relatively big amount of dust in the air. Number two, Etalon white tack rack is also made of a bleached cotton gauze, but it's small in size and has a medium impregnation level. It is probably the most common product for normal conditions without some particular problems of the dust in the workshop. Number three, Etalon blue tack rack, which is made of a non-woven cloth. It excludes the possibility of any thread coming off and remaining on the surface. It traps the dust in its cellular structure. This tack cloth has a low impregnation level and is especially recommended for the removal of dust particles even during application of base coats, including waterborne paints. All three products are silicone-free and absolutely safe and approved for the car refinishing industry. After using the tack cloth, it is good to put it in a bag or a closed plastic container to keep it in best condition longer. Whatever you need, at Etalon we have the solution. For more information, visit our website etalon/refinish.com. Thank you very much for your attention.